Yo, tech freaks! Welcome to the first video of our ESP32 series. Today, we're diving into the world of ESP32, a microcontroller that's as powerful as it is versatile. This little guy is perfect for all kinds of IoT projects. So if you want to make your home smarter than your phone, or create the most epic DIY gadget ever, you've come to the right place. So what exactly is the ESP32 and why should you care? Let's find out. Okay, so what is ESP32? Well, it's a system on chip, or SoC, that's like the little brain for your projects. And not just any brain, but one with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Developed by Espressif Systems, it's an upgrade from the super popular ESP8266. So think of it as the cool older sibling who's been hitting the gym and bulking up. And instead of wasting time trying to connect to Wi-Fi like some ancient router, ESP32 has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built right in. Can we say game changer? Oh yeah, we can. All right, now let's talk about what this little powerhouse can do. First up, the processor. It's a dual-core or single-core, if you're feeling old school, X-Tensor LX6, going all the way up to 240 nanometers. That's a lot of power packed into a small chip. When it comes to memory, you're looking at 520 KB of SRAM and 448 KB of ROM. It's like having a library in your pocket. Wireless communication, you guessed it, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so your ESP32 can talk to just about anything, from your smartphone to your grandma's remote control. Okay, maybe not that far. GPIO pins, there are 34 of them, so you can hook up sensors, motors, lights. Heck, you could probably connect your whole apartment if you wanted. Want to work with analog signals? ESP32's got 18 ADC channels and 2 DAC channels, so you can do that too. And we almost forgot, security is top-notch, with built-in support for AES, SHA-2, RSA, and ECC. Nobody's hacking your Wi-Fi anytime soon. Now here's the fun part. What can you actually do with ESP32? Spoiler alert, it's a lot. Imagine controlling your lights, locks, and thermostat from your phone or a voice assistant. Or better yet, create your own smart home where your ESP32 is the brain behind it all. Want to control your devices from your browser? Of course you do. You can build your own web server right on the ESP32 and control everything from a snazzy dashboard. Collect data from sensors like temperature or humidity and process it right on the chip. It's like having a mini science lab in your pocket. Want to control motors, LED lights, or even sound systems? ESP32 has PWM and DAC outputs to make your devices do the things you want them to do. You can also create a whole network of ESP32 devices that talk to each other, or use Bluetooth to communicate with your phone, so you're basically a tech wizard now. And if you're doing battery-powered projects, no worries. ESP32 has a deep sleep mode where it uses as little as 5 microamps of power, perfect for long-lasting devices. Okay, so why should you choose ESP32? Because it's super affordable but still crazy powerful. You get a lot for your money. It works with popular programming environments like Arduino IDE, Platform IO, and ESP-IDF, so you can pick whatever works best for you. And you can build anything, from simple sensor networks to crazy IoT systems. Plus, it supports pretty much any kind of project. All right, that's all for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of why the ESP32 is so awesome and why you should start using it for your projects. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll start from the ground up with some essential electronics basics. Trust me, to really unlock the full potential of this little hero, you need to know the fundamentals. So get ready for a deep dive into how electricity works and why understanding that will make you a pro at using your ESP32 in the most epic ways possible. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop any questions or ideas for future projects in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep it techie.